In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money to your bank account on Kraken. To get started, open up a web browser and head over to the Kraken website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button located in the top right corner of the page. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and log into your Kraken account. After successfully logging in, direct your attention once again to the top right corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled Transfer. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Withdraw. This action will guide you to the withdrawal section where you can initiate the process of transferring funds to your bank account. At this stage, you'll notice a drop-down menu that allows you to select the currency you wish to withdraw. Take a moment to decide which currency you'll be withdrawing. If you're having trouble finding your desired currency, make use of the search bar provided within the drop-down list. Once your preferred currency has been selected, proceed by clicking Continue. If this is your first time withdrawing funds, or if you haven't already linked a bank account to your Kraken profile, you'll need to add a new bank account. Click Continue to start adding your bank account details. Make sure you're entering the correct banking information, as incorrect entries could lead to failed transactions or delays. Once you've double-checked everything, save the information to your account. After your bank details are saved, it's time to select your bank account from a drop-down menu. With your bank chosen, move on by entering the amount you wish to withdraw. Type in the specific amount desired, making sure it's within the allowable limits and aligns with your financial plans. Following that, it's important to review all the details before making the transfer. Click on Review Withdrawal to do a final check to ensure that all information is correct, from the bank account to the withdrawal amount. Any errors at this stage can lead to complications, so take a moment to verify everything. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, click Withdraw to finalize the transaction. Remember, it's crucial to ensure that your bank account is under your control and shares the name on your Kraken account to avoid any issues. Additionally, steer clear of withdrawing to third-party payment systems to prevent complications. Be aware that Kraken might impose a 72-hour withdrawal hold if your funds originate from specific deposit methods, such as ACH transfers or card transactions. Keeping these tips in mind will help prevent any hiccups during your withdrawal process. That's all there is to it, and now your money should be on its way to your bank account.